Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today we're going to show you how to properly use a hoist. So you can see here we have our lovely Heshbon hoist. To get started, you're going to want to make sure the short arm is facing towards the front of the vehicle and the longer rear arm is facing towards the rear of the vehicle. Once you do that, you can adjust the height by spinning the pads, and you want to find the jack point on your car. This is obviously very important. Right here, it's our jack point. So we're going to adjust these arms to suit. See there, we are nice and directly under that jack point. We'll do the same for now for the rear. You can pull it in and out as you need and roll it, spin it clockwise or counterclockwise depending on your needs. So again, you want to find that jack point on your car and just adjust it accordingly. And you want to go ahead and do that on both sides. So once your arms are correctly positioned on both sides of the car, you want to go ahead and turn that on and simply press the button. And now you can see that you have access to the underside of your vehicle. So once you finish your work and you're ready to go back down, you simply pull the lever down. And the car will return back to the ground. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys back in the next one. See ya.